They launched homemade balloons, built gliders, and set off rockets. More than 30 teachers from high schools across the country are here in Frederick, Maryland, at the You Can Fly Academy. For 3 days, these instructors are learning and practicing the new AOPA high school curriculum designed to expose students to aviation.
There's no other curriculum like it in the country in that it's entirely focused on aviation and aerospace, and so it includes everything a teacher needs to teach: lesson plans, assessments, activities. So whether we have an educator teaching aviation for the first time or we have a certified flight instructor teaching for the first time, we have resources for both of those people.
Jonas DeLon is a teacher and a pilot. He will use the curriculum at his high school in New York City this year. He sees the curriculum as a tool to help motivate his students.
If we pick the interest very early on, then we can inspire them towards a goal.
Amanda Harden is a teacher in Ada, Oklahoma. She is just learning about all the possibilities aviation brings to her students.
I think aviation is something that hasn't been explored a lot in the public school systems. We have courses like physics, which obviously would hit on all of the dynamics of that. However, applying it as a career isn't thought of a lot. So this elective course would offer a lot of opportunities.
Teachers who don't have experience with aviation received hands-on learning with airplanes, and some even took their first flight. Much of the learning in the curriculum is hands-on, allowing students to learn in a tactile way. The curriculum is starting to get attention from the aviation industry, with companies like American Airlines supporting the project. American gave a $100,000 grant to help develop the curriculum. It's part of their efforts to help with the pilot shortage.
There are not enough people learning how to fly right now, and we need to get ahead of that. And that's why we choose to partner with AOPA and to partner with these teachers and these counselors and to inform them and educate them about the professional pilot career path.
And that is the goal of the high school initiative, to engage students and teach them about all the incredible opportunities in aviation. Julie Walker, AOPA Live.